All right, we're going to continue with some more 9-5, where yesterday we had two equations, two variables, just like going throughout the chapter. Yesterday, we tried to find one of them that was a single variable, but today none of them are going to be that way. Yesterday, when it was a single variable, we multiplied one of them by something so they could cancel. So today, what we're going to do is we're going to have to multiply both equations by something. So first thing you're going to choose is, do you want to get rid of, in this case, A or B? It doesn't matter which one you do. The way I tend to choose it is see, A, do you have any that are opposite signs? In this case, we don't. Or go with the smaller multiplication. Like here, we're going to get into bigger numbers. So that's probably, I would say, let's go with A. So we want them to be the same number, but opposite signs. So for instance, if we multiply this one by 5, we would get 15. So what should we multiply this by? So it's the opposite. -3, because that would get us -15. So just like yesterday, we're going to distribute every single part. So we get 15a plus 20b equals 10. Then we get -15a minus 27b equals -3. So 15a minus 15a, that's what we want. We want one of them to be eliminated. So we want to eliminate one of them. 20 minus 27, -7b. 10 minus 3, 7. So divide by -7b equals -1. So we have one variable. Now we need to find the other. We could go into any of these four. It doesn't matter. I'm going to go this one just because the numbers, again, are a little bit smaller. So 3a plus 4 times -1. So in place of b, substitute -1. So 3a minus 4 equals 2. Add 4. 3a equals 6. Divide by 3, a equals 2. So our point would be a equals 2 and b equals -1. So the difference, like we said, between yesterday's and today's is we're going to multiply both equations. So in a way, you're finding kind of like a least common denominator, least common multiple, and then we want to go from there. Let's say we have 2c minus 3d equals -1. 3c minus 4d equals -3. So again, we could get rid of either c or d. These two, we would need 6 or we would need 12, but it doesn't matter which one. Like, but this one, a little bit smaller multiplication, so that's probably what I would choose. So we said we need 6. So this one's going to be 3. So if that's +6, this one needs to be -6. So -2. So we get 6c minus 9d equals -3. -6c plus 12d equals +6. 6c minus 6c, they cancel. 12 minus 9 is 3d. 6 minus 3 is 3. D equals 1. So again, either equation, 2c, please 2c minus 3 times 1, because d was 1. 2c minus 3, -1, so add 3. 2 equals 2c. Divide by 2, c equals 1. So c equals 1 and d equals 1. Let's do one more of those. Find one I like. All right, p minus 2q equals 1. 4p plus 5q equals 47. Okay. Sometimes what I like to look for too is, do we have any that are opposite signs? These are opposite signs. Let's go ahead and do those. We know, so if we're using 2 and 5, what would our multiple be? 10. And they're already opposite signs, so that if we just get them to both be 10, they'll cancel. So what do we need to multiply this by to be 10? 5. And this we have to multiply by 2, because if we get a positive 10, negative 10. So we don't need a negative in this case. So 25p minus 10q equals 5. 8p plus 10q equals 94. So 10q minus 10q cancels, which is what we want. 33p equals 99. Divide by 33. P is going to equal 30. So now we can go back into either equation. This one, numbers are smaller. Let's go there. So 5 times 3 minus 2q equals 1. 15 minus 2q equals 1. So subtract 15. 1 minus 15, negative 14. 2q equals negative 14, so q equals negative 7. Okay. Remember, if they are opposite signs to start, you won't have to multiply by a negative. So find that least common multiple. Again, it doesn't matter which one you choose to eliminate. In the end, they'll both come out to be the same way. Your multiplication might be different, your work might be different, but you're not doing it incorrectly. Okay, so on 432, we're going to do, I need to change that. I'm going to add on. So 432, 15 to 25 odd, and then back on 431. Sorry. We're going to do 6. There's an 8 and 9, 8, or just number 9. We did the other 3. So on 432, 15 to 25 odd, and then 431, number 9.